Are you stuck in a brewing rut? Do you often find yourself running out of homebrew with nothing on deck to serve to family and friends? Or maybe you just want to explore beer styles you don't know much about. Northern Brewer's beer recipe kit SUDscription is just what you need. Our SUDscription plan offers automatic recurring delivery of our best recipe kits, extract or all grain, handpicked by our brewmasters and delivered right to your door, all for one flat fee, shipping included. The best part is no more wondering what to brew next or planning out your brewing schedule. Whether it's brewing for the season or discovering new styles and regions, a new brewing adventure arrives regularly at your door. Think light-bodied crushers for the summer months, bigger beers for the dark days of winter, Oktoberfest for the fall, saisons for the springtime, our favorite recipes, as well as the hottest new craft beer styles. Here's a quick look at what comes with each SUDscription delivery. You'll get fresh quality extract or all grain ingredients to make 5 gallons of beer with easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Our brewmasters will take the guesswork out of yeast selection and choose the perfect strain for each kit. And you'll get Fast Prime, which is our new canned priming solution. Save a lot of time, make things much easier on bottling day. Unlike other more rigid beer kit subscriptions, with the Northern Brewer SUDscription, you can choose the delivery frequency that works best for you. Once a month, once every 2 months, or once every 3 months. You know, we're having a lot of fun here at Northern Brewer each month putting together our SUDscription kit for our SUDscribers, and so far we're getting a lot of positive feedback from customers. Like Richard, who says, "Press the easy button and let the fun begin. I designed my own recipes and wanted something where I could just let someone else pick the ingredients and let me do the cooking. P.S. Very easy to manage and adjust frequency of delivery and skip if needed." Kim says, "It's a fun kit. Love getting the different beer each time. A great way to step outside of our comfort zone." And Brad sums it up perfectly with "totally awesome. I would have to recommend the subscription to anyone wanting to try different beers and styles. I usually just brew the same beer, but with this beer subscription, I have ventured out and brewed beers I normally don't brew." Explore the wide world of beer styles, or just take the stress out of figuring out what's next on your to-brew list when you sign up for Northern Brewer's Beer Recipe Kit SUDscription. See the link in the video description for more FAQs and sign-up info.